How to create website design on Canva app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a website design on Canva fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app, and this is the home page. As you can see now, you should go here down below and click on the plus button right here. Now after you click on it, now go to the search bar in the top and search for website. After you search for the website, click on it like this and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page right here. Now from here you can choose the template that you want. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, for example this one right here. And as you can see, it's a very professional design. Just click on anything right here and you will be able to change it, as you can see right here, and click download here in the top corner and everything will be done. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.